Hello, today we're going to learn how to go from vertex form back to standard form. We've already learned how to go from standard form to vertex form. We're just going to work our way backwards. Please make sure you take notes and complete the survey that follows the video. So just as a reminder, the vertex form is y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. We are going to take that and put it into the standard form of ax squared plus bx plus c. To go from the vertex form to the standard form, we're going to do a couple of steps. We just need to simplify the vertex form essentially. We're going to keep a as 1 in this class. In the future, it might be different. We have to make sure we know how to multiply polynomials, and you'll see how that's going to come back in just a moment. And this is what we were going, because that's what we're essentially going to be doing. And then we're going to combine our like terms. So here's our first example. I have y equals the quantity x minus 3 squared plus 4. If you think back to unit 4, we learned about these types of problems here. When we have this squared, we simply write it twice and then multiply. So I'm going to rewrite this as y equals x minus 3 times x minus 3 and then a plus 4 at the end, which means now I like to do the box method. And so since it's the same thing, we're going to put x minus 3 on the top, x minus 3 along the side, and fill in the boxes appropriately. X times x is x squared, negative 3 times x is negative 3x, negative 3 times x is again negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. So what I'm going to do is rewrite this as y equals x squared minus 3x plus 9 plus 4. Now if you really wanted to, you could have started off and just did minus 6x right there. So we combine those together, we get the negative 6x, and we're going to then combine 9 and 4 together to get 13. And that's all for that. Let's do another example. So let's repeat that same process. We're going to take the quantity of x plus 4, we're going to write it twice, and then we're going to multiply. So in this one, we're going to put x plus 4 on the top and on the side. X times x is x squared, 4 times x is 4x, 4 times x is also 4x. And 4 times 4 is 16. So if I really want to rewrite it, it would be x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. If you at this point you just want to write 8x instead of doing the two 4x's, that's fine too. 4x and 4x combine to give us 8x. The positive 16 and negative 2 combine to give us 14. Next example here, we have y is equal to x minus 1 squared. So once again, we're going to write it twice. However, there's no number at the end, so we don't need to do a plus or minus a number at the end. So from here, I'm going to write the x minus 1 in my box method. X times x is x squared, negative 1x, and a positive, sorry about that, negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. So then when I rewrite it, it's essentially x squared minus x plus 1. And when I combine them together, I get y is equal to negative 2x. The 1 has nothing to combine with, so I'm going to tag it on at the end, and that's done. Again, I don't have to combine the 1 with anything because we didn't have anything. Last example here, we have y is equal to x squared minus 3. Well, if I wrote out x times x, it wouldn't help us do anything. So it's just x squared minus 3. The standard form, in this case, the vertex form, are going to be the same. Again, to go from standard form, we just need to, vertex form to standard form, we got to simplify it. We're going to keep a as 1 in this class, think back to how we multiplied our polynomials, and then we combined our like terms. Here's your survey. Please make sure you bring any questions to class tomorrow. Take care.